Same, the 602 number.
Hold on. I don't want you to give it out because I don't need everybody trying to call you.
Today's courtroom session begins with a routine roll call, but these quick hearings reveal the real mechanics of criminal court: adjournments, plea negotiations, and defendants juggling legal obligations. Pay attention, because one case later involves a shocking false report admission. Subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns and real legal insight you won't hear elsewhere.
See that?
Case People versus Jessica Mitchell.
Rob Robinson on behalf of Mr.
Jessica Mitchell.
Yes, Your Honor. Jessica Mitchell. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor, I want to adjourn the case for one more time. Ms. Mitchell, we need to talk.
Okay.
Adjourn the matter to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Do you have all the forms? I want to make sure you got them.
What form? I have no.
The plea forms and
I
everything.
have nothing.
That's why.
Court calls case People versus Whitney Mitchell.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Rob Robinson on behalf of Whitney Mitchell.
Whitney Mitchell.
Thank you, ma'am. What are we doing?
I'm requesting an adjournment, and can she call our office with a good phone number? Because her voicemail is set up.
I'll adjourn this matter to March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Ms. Mitchell, you need to call the Washtenaw County Public Defender's Office. Do you have that number?
I think so. Is it like 222-734-222?
6970.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, call them. Make sure they have a good phone number and email for you.
Okay, I have a question for you, Your Honor.
Call me when you.
Yes, ma'am.
I was wondering if you would consider lowering my drug testing from like 3 times to maybe 1 or 2 times, because it's hard for me to get there from from my 2 jobs, because I work 7 days a week. If you would consider it.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to let your attorney talk to the prosecutor's office. If they are in agreement, then they can send me a stipulation. But otherwise, it will remain as it is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus John Neary.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Fortunate please to assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Neary, who is approaching the podium.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. State your name for me.
John Neary.
All right.
I've been here so many times, I feel like when holiday comes, I want to weigh everybody in here a holiday card or something.
All right.
I did talk to Mr. Neary and Mr. Cook. We're requesting an adjournment. He would like to enter a no contest plea and resolve this matter, but I did not have it to you in advance.
What is it? No contest to what?
It can be as charged under deferred. I need to get the plea form written out. We just finalized that today.
Got it. Okay.
So I don't know if the court
2
is.
weeks, will that work for you?
Perfect.
What, 2 weeks or 4, Mr. Neary?
You're the boss. I mean,
I
whatever you
know.
want.
I'm asking because you've always.
I'm always here.
Oh, I know you are.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks being good?
Yes, sir.
All right. March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. No, I always see you from the first time that you walk in, you usually sit on the end of the back row. You just sit there patiently waiting for your case to be called, and I do appreciate
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
How's your family doing?
Doing a lot better. A lot better. Swelling's gone down. Everything's good.
Everything's
so
good.
far. Yeah,
So far, well,
Yes, sir. It's only been a few months, but I mean, it's
Hey.
getting better.
I remember when you came in and let me know.
It was bad.
And
It was.
fact that we're here, fact that when I mentioned
she's
it, there's
still
a
here.
smile on your face.
Yes, sir.
Great. And you told me, I think the last time that you were here, you told me that she cooked dinner or something?
Yeah, it was the first time she was able to cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
Yep, it was. It was the first time. Yes, sir. It was. It was amazing. It's good.
Fantastic.
Yep.
All right. My
I'll
blessing
see you in 2
and
weeks.
prayers to you and your family.
Thank you.
And make sure to give your wife my best, okay?
Yes, sir, I will, I always do.
All right, thank you.
Take care.
Court calls the case, People versus Russell Norvell.
Morning, Your Honor. Ready to cook the people.
Russell Norvell.
There you are, okay. What are we doing?
I'm requesting an adjournment so I can show him some video.
April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. On continued.
I'll call you.
All right, thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Carl Rogers.
Ready to cook for the people.
Torture Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Carl Rogers, who I believe is on Zoom. Mr. Roger, please unmute, state your name for the record.
Oh,
He's on the road. He's on the phone, okay. If that's you, Mr. Rogers, please state your name.
You have to unmute. We know you know how to do that. State your name and turn on your camera.
It won't let me do it. Carl Rogers.
Say it won't let him do it.
That's what he said, Judge.
Hello?
It's on now. He's on.
Thank you, Judge.
Hello, Mr. Rogers. What are we
How you
doing?
doing,
I
sir?
I did speak to Mr. Rogers last night and to Mr. Cook this morning. There is an offer on the table to resolve this matter. I just need about 3 weeks to have Mr. Rogers complete a task, and I think this case will be dismissed, Your Honor.
April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. That's 11. All right. Is everybody here, ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Court calls the case, People versus Derek Simpson. No relation. Oh, no.
Morning, Your Honor. Ready to cook the
Mac representing Simpson, I'm out.
Judge, you and I both knew this day would come. One way or the other, Judge, we both knew this day would come.
That was well done. All right.
Well, Your Honor, Hugo J. Mack, appearing in behalf of Mr. Simpson, I'd like the court to know, just got assigned to this case yesterday, but I was able to get a phone number from the public defender's office and an email. I tried to call Mr. Simpson. I couldn't reach him. I did send a message and I did send an email. I assume Mr. Simpson was given a Zoom notice. The court would have to inform me if that's true or not.
I don't. He was arraigned. He was arraigned in custody, given a PR. And this, well, no, there's a problem. Today's the 4th. So for whatever reason, at his arraignment, he was given all of the DB bond conditions, but they set the pretrial for March 9th at 1, which is this case marked DB? So I don't know why it's set for today. The magistrate gave 3/9 at 1, which would have been my DB date.
I wondered about that.
What?
I thought I saw something on the night. I've been assigned on the B&E case. Is there a separate DV case?
I don't know. I just have the B&E before me. But if it's tagged as a domestic, it would appear on my domestic docket. For whatever reason, I think the magistrate, well, not my magistrate, but it looks like it might be Magistrate Braley, did that because DV bond conditions were ordered.
Your Honor, I don't know if it clarifies at all, at least according to the report, the defendant and the owner of the property, who I'm going to refer to as the victim, had been living together for a couple of weeks. It was not an intimate relationship according to the victim, just they were cohabitating. So I'm not sure if that's why it was given
DV dates. But you don't see it marked as a DV
No,
for your purpose. Okay. So here's what I'll do. I won't issue a bench warrant, Mr. Mack. I'll adjourn this to March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Allow you to try to get in contact with person and see. And if they happen to show up on the 9th, we'll try to redirect them to the 18th.
All right, Ron.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Taja Wynn.
Notice how the judge handles the missing defendant carefully. Instead of immediately issuing a bench warrant, the court gives the defense attorney time to contact the client and clarify scheduling confusion. This shows how procedure matters. Courts try to ensure fairness before punishment. But if the defendant misses again, consequences escalate quickly.
Sherilyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Tiaja Wynn. Ms. Wynn, can you state your name?
Tiaja Wynn.
All right, there she is. All right, thank you.
Your Honor, we're requesting a final settlement conference in this case.
Jury, final settlement conference, April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Latwalia Salisbury.
Morning, Your Honor. Reading the book of the people.
Pretty Judge Torture Feast to Assistant Public Defender on behalf of there.
Can you state your name, please?
Latwala Salisbury.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. We did reach Ms. Salisbury. We left a voicemail. We did not have contact. I guess we need a new number or have her contact our office so we can try to talk, and we'll request an adjournment, Your Honor.
During this matter, March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Ms. Salisbury, can you contact the public defender's office and make sure they've got your number?
Yeah, my 602 number is the same, the 602 number.
Hold on. I don't want you to give it out because I don't need everybody trying to call you. So let's do this. So their number is 222-6970. That's area code 734. So call them and make sure that they have a good email and a good phone number for you.
Okay, I'm sorry. 222-79.
No, 734-222-6970.
Got it. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Court calls the case People versus David Shore.
Reading the book of the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of David Short.
Hello, Your Honor. This is David Short.
Thank you. All right.
I'm requesting adjournment, and please have them call our office with a good number.
During the matter of March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. And Mr. Short, call the public defender's office. Their number is 222-6970. That's area code 734. And make sure they have a good phone number for you and a good email address.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Jacob Simmons.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Jacob Simmons.
Jacob Simmons.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor, present.
What's your name?
My name is Jacob Simmons.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm requesting an adjournment so you can see the video.
During the matter, April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right, sir.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Caitlin Stevens.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Worship Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Caitlin Stevens, who should be on Zoom. Ms. Stevens, please state your name for the record.
Caitlin Stevens.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. I did speak to Ms. Stevens last night and to Mr. Cook this morning, and we have reached a resolution. I believe Mr. Cook was writing up the plea sheet, but basically she'll be pleading to the charge, and Mr. Cook will be recommending a fines and costs sentence, Your Honor. And
We have an advice of rights.
Ms. Stevens has given me permission to sign her name to the advice of rights form, and I just tendered that to your deputy. It's right here, Judge.
She's pleading as charged.
Yes, Judge.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
State your name again for the record.
Caitlin Stevens.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of false report of a misdemeanor. That itself is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days of jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind?
Yes, sir.
All right. You gave permission to have your name signed to an advice of rights form and went through that with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
All right. You understand that you're waiving or giving up all of the rights that are contained on that form?
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right?
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right. Were you on probation or parole at the time of this offense?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you in any way?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
September 10th, 2025, at the location of the Huron Valley Correctional Facility, what did you do that makes you think that you're guilty of this offense?
I false reported to the officer that this lady touched me.
Okay. You gave a false report of, wow. You gave a false report of a CSC in the 4th degree, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the dramatic turning point. Under oath, the defendant admits she falsely reported a serious accusation to an officer. That's why the judge carefully walks through every right and confirmation before accepting the plea. In court, admissions like this lock in responsibility and eliminate the possibility of a trial afterward.
Ma'am, you understand that? Well, I'm going to give her a final sentence. Okay. Have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe you have, Judge.
All right. Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. Ma'am, anything you want to say to the court before I impose sentence?
No, sir.
Fines and costs of $350. I'll order 93 days in jail. Suspended. When can you get the $350 paid?
I get paid on the 13th, so between the 13th and the 15th of this month.
Okay. I'll give you to the 15th. Pay it by March 15th,
All right.
2026. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good luck, Ms. Stevens. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus David Stevenson White.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown, appearing on behalf of David.
Sir, unmute and state your name, please.
David Stevenson White.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I think he was pleading to impeding traffic.
And that's correct, Your Honor. The offer was extended and had kind of impeding traffic. Upon accepting that, we will move to dismiss count one.
Mr. Stevenson White, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on March 1st, 2025, Washington Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you impeded traffic?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
Like the next 2 weeks, I get paid bi-weekly on Wednesdays.
How am I supposed to keep track of that? Pay it by March 31st.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Court calls the case. People versus Tanea Thomas.
Ready Judge Torshall Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Tanea Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Tanea Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. According to our notes, this was supposed to be a HIDA plea. I am not showing that anyone connected with Ms. Thomas to review the plea sheet with her, though. So I think we adjourned it so that Ms. Thomas.
April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m. Get to her, explain everything, and then we'll get it done. All right?
Thomas, make sure you reach out to our office this afternoon, please.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Thomas. Court calls the case. People versus Tito's. Why ho you knew. That's the best I could do.
He was on the call. Well, there he is.
I'm here.
Where is he?
Right there in the green.
All right. Yeah, last time I messed up his name too. So what's your name, sir?
Itos Waihohonu.
Well, I was close.
You're
I just
getting there.
I can't get the rhythm of that. I was close though.
Ron
Better than
Brown,
last time. Go ahead.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Wanan Hanhu. I'm requesting adjournment. Want to explore some other courts and options.
Okay. I do have an amended complaint.
I'm not objecting. It's filed in the right court. I did do a little homework. Because isn't it Crane and Merritt?
That's Pittsfield.
That's Pittsfield, yeah. I had to do.
But what was?
So on the original complaint, the charging language indicated a BAC of greater than 0.17 grams per 100 milliliters of blood. That was incorrect. I amended to indicate 0.08 because I believe the BAC is a 0.11, which was not about point.
Not. Okay, gotcha. So.
No objection.
So to that charge, he still maintains a guilty plea too.
Not guilty.
Well, he's not guilty plea. I just want to make sure we've got it all. I gotcha. So we can maintain the charge. Okay, got it. So the amended complaint is filed. That's fine. I don't think I need a new plea to that charge, quite frankly. All right. And then you need an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Adjourn this to April 1st, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank
you. Continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Court does call the case. People versus Kayla Walden.
Ready Judge Torshall Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Kayla Walden. If she is here, please unmute.
She is. Ms. Walden?
Kayla Walden. I'm trying to.
All right, I'll
do
need it.
Um,
I need a camera. Oh, there you go.
I got it.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. It looks like Ms. Walden had done some work at Dawn Farms, and that information sent over to Mr. Cook for his. I'd ask for an
Hey,
adjournment
Bubba.
so he can receive and review that information.
I'd indicated at the last hearing that was going to be the last adjournment.
Okay, we'll set it then, Judge. I'll still get it to him in the interim to try and.
Pardon?
We can set it for jury trial. I'll give him that information here.
Jury final settlement conference will be set April 10th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection April 13th, 2026 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Case People versus, is it Jalen Washington?
People?
Ready, Judge, Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Washington. Please state your name for the record.
Jalen Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I did reach out to Mr. Washington. The phone number we had was incorrect. I do have a good number for him now. We have a brief adjournment so he and I can speak.
It's neat. You guys have the same hair.
Oh, I
I don't know. I was just sitting here in face. I was just.
I am not that fortunate. I just
No, he walked up. I was like kind of envious, and I said, I could be Torchio. Be real envious.
I just did a little bit.
I'm sorry. What'd you ask me to do?
Just a brief adjournment, please, Judge.
Will the 18th be enough time for us?
Should be fine, Judge.
All right. Turn it March 18th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue with the conditions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. No problem.
Oh, you know what? He nods his head. He's going to hit Torchio with that top.
After reviewing the admission and confirming the plea was voluntary, the judge delivers the final sentence: 93 days suspended and $350 in fines and costs. No jail if conditions are followed, but the conviction stands. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories and real legal breakdowns.